morning, students. Today we are going to start with the practice set 27. So only first question I will solve, then I will teach you other two types of equations. So let us solve this only first question, that is rewrite the following using a letter. This is question 1. Question 1, rewrite the following using a letter. So this is a statement given and we have to form an equation out of it using any one letter as a variable. So the first question is the sum of a certain number and 3. The sum means addition. The sum of certain number. What is the number? We don't know. So let us take it as any variable as x. X and 3. Sum means plus. So only this is the equation. X plus 3 is the equation. Nothing more else is given. Now next, second one. The difference obtained by subtracting. Subtracting means minus. Difference also means minus. The difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. We have to subtract 11 from another number. And what is the other number? We don't know. So let us take it as x. X minus 11. That much only. Then next, the product of 15 and another number. Another number when it is asked, then we have to take a variable. Product means multiplication. Product means it is multiplication. So product of 15 and another number. So multiply 15 and another number. So it is 15 into any other number, that is 15x. So 15 into x will give you as 15x. When we write in algebraic expression, when we write it in this form, 15x means it is 15 multiplied by x. 15 multiplied by x. Now, next fourth one. 4 times a number is 24. 4 times a number. 4 times means 4 into times a number. We don't know the number. It is, let us take it as 4 into x. Is means equal to. So it is equal to 24. So here the equation forms 4 into x is means equal to, it is 24. Therefore it will form 4 into x, just like as we have done here. 15 into x is 15x. So we will write it as 4x is equal to as 24. Now we are going to learn about the equations deal with the such type of equations. So solve. Now next topic, solve the equations. Solve the equation. You have learnt that in the previous video you have learnt when plus sign is there in the equation and minus sign is there, how to solve the equation. Now when multiplication sign is there, that means such type of equations, how to solve such type of equation. This equation only I will take. First see, 4x is equal to as 24. Now 4x means it is 4 multiplied by x. So opposite of multiplication is division. So we will divide both the sides by 4. Divide both sides. B and S means both sides. Divide both sides by this coefficient only 4. So it is written like this, say 4x by 4 equal to 24 by 4. 4 cancels, only x will remain equal to. Now you divide 24 by 4. 4 6 is 24 minus 0 0 0. So therefore answer is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to as 6. This is the solution. So therefore we get it in this form now. Now second one. Suppose it is given 5x is equal to 150 given. How to solve this? Sorry, this second method also I have to teach this. Or second method of this first only. Second method, I will write the question 4x is equal to as 24. Now directly we can do 4 is multiplied by x. So take that side 4 means it gets divided. So x is equal to 24 divided by 4. Upon means it is division. So therefore x is equal to as 4 on the 4 6 are 24. Therefore x is equal to as 6. This is the second method. This is the first method and this is the second method. For other equations also I have taught two methods. So solve every equation by both the methods. Now second equation, suppose if I take 5x is equal to as 150. Now that means what? 5x means 5 into x. So multiplication, opposite of multiplication is division. So divide both the sides by 5. Therefore we get 5x by 5 equal to 150 by 5. So 5 will get cancelled, only x is remaining. Now 5, you know that if we divide 150 by 5, 5 3 is 15 minus 0 0. This extra 0 put here. So it is equal to as 30. Therefore x is equal to as 30. Or second method. Second method, write the question as this. 5x is equal to 150. So directly I am doing the division now. I will take 5 that side. So it gets divided. X is equal to 150 divided by 5. So x is equal to as 30. Therefore x is equal to as 30. So this is the solution. Now next equation, 6x is equal to as 18. So 6x is there. So we have to divide both the sides by 6. So 6x by 6. 18 by 6. So 6 will get cancelled, only x will remain. So therefore x is equal to 6 1 the 6. 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to as 3. Or second method, take the equation 6x is equal to as 18. So x will be equal to as 18 divided by 6. X is equal to 6 3 is 18. Therefore x is equal to as 3. Fourth equation, 19x is equal to as 38. So divide both sides by 9. So 19x by 9, by 19. 19x by 19 equal to 38 divided by 19. 19 will cancel, only x will remain. 19 into 2. 2 9 is 18, carry 1, 2 on the 2 and 3. 19 2 is 38. So it is x is equal to 2. Therefore we can say x is equal to as 2. Or 19x is equal to as 38. This is the equation. So directly we will transfer 19 that side. So it is multiplied, so it goes that side as division. So divide by 38 divided by 19. So x is equal to 19 2 is 38. Therefore x is equal to as 2. Fifth one, 2x equal to 24 suppose. So divide both sides by coefficient 2. So 2x divided by 2 equal to 24 by 2. 2 cancels. X is equal to 2 ones are 2 12 is 24. If we divide 24 by 2, 2 ones is 2. If you cannot do directly, you can divide and solve. Bring down 4. Then 2 2 is 4 minus 0 0. So therefore the answer is 12. Divide and write the answer. Therefore, x is equal to as 12. Or second method, 2x is equal to as 24. So x will be equal to as x is equal to 24 divided by 2 into x. So it gets divided. So 24 divided by 2 is equal to x is equal to as 12. Therefore, x is equal to as 12. Sixth and last of this type question. 7x is equal to 35, suppose it is given. Then here again divide both the sides by 7. 7x by 7. This is equal to 35 by 7. 7 will cancel, only x will remain, equal to 7 on the 7. 7 5 is 35. We can cancel like this way also. But dividing I have showed you. So if we divide it, we get 7 5 is 35. Therefore, x is equal to as 5. Or 7x is equal to as 35. Directly we will transfer 7 the other side. So x will remain here equal to 35. Divide by 7. 7 5 is 35. X is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to as 5. Now we are going to learn next one more type of equation. This is the last type of equation which you are going to learn in this chapter. Now, x by 5 equal to 8 given here. X by 5 means x divided by 5. So, opposite of division is multiplication. So, therefore, we will multiply both the sides by this number 5. So, multiply both sides by 5. So, x by 5 multiplied by 5 equal to 8 into 5. Both the sides same thing I am writing. So, 5 will get cancelled. X is equal to as 8 5s are 40. Therefore, x is equal to as 40. Or the second method. Write the question x by 5 equal to as 8. X divided by 5. So, division we converts into multiplication when we transfer the number that side. So, therefore, by transferring the 5, if I transfer, it gets multiplied with whatever is there. So, x is equal to 8 5 is a 40. Therefore, x is equal to as 40. We got the solution by the second method. Now, second one. X by 3 is equal to 12. So again, this 3 is denominator down. That with that number we have to multiply both the sides by 3. So x by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 12 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. Only x will remain. 12 3 is 36. Therefore, x is equal to as 36. Or x by 3 is equal to as 12. Transfer this 3 the other side, it gets multiplied because x by 3 means it is get divided. So therefore x is equal to 12 multiplied by 3. So x is equal to 12 3 is 36. Therefore x is equal to as 36. This is the solution. Now we go with another example as third one. Then x by 2 equal to 21, suppose. So multiply here, divided by 2 it is there. So multiply both the sides by 2. X by 2 multiply by 2 equal to 21 into 2. These two gets cancelled. X is equal to 21 into 2. 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4. Therefore, x is equal to as 42. Or second method, x by 2 equal to 21. Transfer to the other side 2, it gets multiplied. X is equal to 21 into 2. So x is equal to on the 2, 2 to the 4. Therefore x is equal to as 42. Fourth one, same type equation. X by 7 equal to as 14, suppose. So divide both the sides, sorry, it is divided, so therefore multiply both the sides by 7. X by 7 multiplied by 7 equal to 14 into 7. 7 gets cancelled. X is equal to 14 into 7. 4 7 is 28. Carry 2 4 7 7 8 9. Therefore x is equal to as 98. Or x by 7 is equal to as 14. X is equal to 14. If we transfer to the other side 7, it gets multiplied because it is divided here. So x is equal to as 14 into 78 we saw here, it is 98. Therefore x is equal to as 98. Fifth question. X by 6 equal to 8, suppose. So here again you have to multiply both sides by 6. So x by 6 multiply by 6 equal to 8 into 6. 6 gets cancelled. X is equal to as 6 8 the 48. Therefore x is equal to 48. Or x by 6 is equal to 8. So x will be equal to 8. It is x divided by 6. So here it comes means gets answer gets multiplied. So x is equal to 8 6 is 48. Therefore x is equal to 48. This is the solution.